Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about what are the top 7 homeopathic kidney tonics, or you can say kidney syrups. Now let's talk about the fourth kidney tonic, that is LDD Bioscience Renal Cure Syrup. So let's talk about the indications first. This tonic is basically used in renal calculi, means renal stones, having sharp pains in the kidney, pains across the small of the back, prickling type of pains, reddish and the glary urine with epithelial cells and amorphous wart-based matter. Secondly, it is used when oxalic acid is present in the urine with the grables. And thirdly, it is used in the condition where there is a sharp tearing pain in the kidneys and there is a presence of oxalic acid in the urine, reddish urine with epithelial cells. So these are the main indications where you can use this LDD Bioscience Renal Cure Syrup. Now let's talk about the action of the ingredients which are used for making this. So this renal tonic contains Berberis vulgaris, Cantharis 3x, Acidum oxalis 3x, Ocimum can mother tincture and Calcarea ren 3x, Senecio mother tincture, Sarsaparilla, Pereira brava mother tincture. So these are the main ingredients which are used for making this kidney tonic. And same are the doses, that how to take it. So always 1 teaspoonful thrice a day or as directed by your physician. Now let's talk about the fifth kidney tonic, that is Adele Pinkana Adele 22 Renal. So for the kidney stones and the urinary tract infection, that is UTI, Adele 22, that is Renal drops. It supports the excretion of the concrements, that is proteins concretion, that is calculi basically means stones, and the toxins deposited in the kidney cells and help restore normal kidney functions. Adele 22 drops also help counteract intoxication through aging or illness that weakens metabolic processes, which can result in hypertonia, diabetes, or precancerous conditions such as arthritis and rheumatism. And finally, this remedy helps regulate toxic blockades in chronically ill patients, which allows systemic healing to take place. For the indications, that what are the conditions where you can use Adele 22 Renal drop. So this is used for cystitis, frequent urination, foul smelling urine, burning, UTI, that is urinary tract infection, and kidney stones. Now let's talk about the ingredients and their action, which are used for making Adele 22 Renal drop. So first medicine which is used for making Adele 22 Renal is Acidum benzoicum. So Acidum benzoicum resolves uric acid diathesis, often accompanied by a strong rheumatic burden to eliminate conditions that weakens the heart. Second medicine is Acidum nitricum. So Acidum nitricum treats infection of the mucous membrane and urinary tract infection also. It also regulates the function of the urological pathways and eliminate the symptoms that include frequent urination and foul smelling urine, which is accompanied by a burning sensation. Third medicine is Apis mellifica. So Apis mellifica treats edema and infections condition of the joints. It also stimulates and detoxifies the tonsillar rings, connective tissues, intestine, serous membrane, bladder, and the kidney to facilitate a systemic healing. Next medicine is Berberis vulgaris. So Berberis vulgaris addresses pathogenic conditions of the liver and urological pathways. It supports the excretion of the uric acid from the system and reduces liver and the pancreas intoxication, and the basis of illness such as gout and diabetes. Next medicine is Colchium autumnale. So this is primarily indicated for treatment of gout. This herb also fights endocarditis and pericarditis, and it regulates the gastrointestinal system to stop nausea, vomiting, and over acidity, and help heal acute and the subacute rheumatic conditions. This remedy also eliminates these conditions, helps detoxify the body, and enables the kidney to excrete poisons that have accumulated over the years. So, in short, I want to say that this is one of the best indicated medicine for the kidney troubles. Next medicine is Coccus cacti. So this medicine stimulates the kidneys while providing antiseptic properties. It also helps heal chronic latent infections that reduce kidneys efficiency. Next medicine is Solidago. Solidago is a classic kidney remedy that effectively treats chronic nephritis and arthritis. It is indicated for the treatment of painful urination and urine which is thick with a stone's gravel protein of blood. The stimulative effect on the kidneys is so great that using a catheter often becomes unnecessary. Last medicine which is used for making ADEL 22 Renal is Capsella bursa. Capsella bursa pastoris help treat metabolic insufficiency reflected by the buildup of the stones in the kidneys and gallbladder. The strong stimulate effect provided by this herb can even make catheter use unnecessary. So this was all about the composition and action of the remedies which are used for making ADEL 22 Renal drop. Now let's talk about the recommended dose. So for adults you have to take 15 to 20 drops, and for children you have to take 7 to 10 drops, and both have to take these drops 3 times a day in 1/4 cup of water. So this was all about the 5th kidney tonic. Now let's talk about the 6th kidney tonic, that is SBL Clearstone Drops. So Clearstone is a product with the distinct composition of the most effective homeopathic medicine that is specifically helpful in removing the kidney stones and the ureter stones quickly, and to provide relief from renal colic, that is a type of renal pain. Now let's talk about the indications, that were the conditions where you can use SBL Clearstone Drops. So this is basically used, as I have already said, it is helpful in removing the kidney and the ureter stones quickly. They are unilateral or they are bilateral. Renal and the ureteric calculi are also removed by this tonic or drop. And let's talk about the action of compositions which are used in Clearstone. So first medicine which is used for making this SBL Clearstone drop is Berberis vulgaris. Second medicine is Ocimum can. Third is Solidago. Fourth is Praeria brava, and last one is Senecio aureus with alcohol content 61% volume by volume. Now let's talk about the doses. So always you have to take 10 to 15 drops in 1/4 cup of water, and you have to take it thrice a day, means 3 times a day. Okay, so this was all about the 6th kidney tonic. Talk about the last kidney tonic, that is 7th one, Dr. Reckeweg R64. What are the indications of Dr. Reckeweg R64? So basically it helps in albuminuria, proteinuria, nephrosis, chronic nephritis, and nephrosclerosis. Now let's talk about the mode of action and of the main ingredients which are used in Dr. Reckeweg R64. So the various ingredients of this combination cover those symptoms characteristically found in the late stage of inflammation within the urogenital tract. So first is Haloneus. Haloneus is used in exhaustion, backache, pressure, and running pain in the kidney area. Second medicine is Kalium arsine. So this is used in chronic nephritis with edema and wherever there is a heart pathology. Next medicine is phosphorus. Phosphorus is used in weakness, parenchymal degeneration. Analysis of the urine shows protein with the blood, and whenever there is a cylindrical cast. And chronic nephritis are almost specific as a kidney remedy. The last medicine is Plumbum metallicum. Whenever there is a decreased quantity of the urine, proteinuria with hypertrophy of the kidney. This was all about the composition of Dr. Reckeweg R64. Now let's talk about the doses and how to take this drop. So always you have to take 10 or 15 drops in a water 3 times a day before meal. And in the initial phase of therapy, repeat 7th kidney stone tonic. So that's all in this video. We have discussed about what are the top 7 homeopathic kidney tonics that you can use for any kind of kidney problems. So that's all for today. See you guys in our next video. Till then, stay connected with us for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below, and yes, press the bell icon for more updates. Stay safe and stay healthy, and yes, thanks for watching this video.